Alright, y'all, another just doing quick and dirty cell phone videos, right? Anyway, getting some preliminary wiring done. And well, tech's flexed up. I'm not happy with this cut of an angle. I'm gonna have to, that's why nothing's buttoned down just yet. Kind of trial and error, see which way I want to go with it. I'm gonna have to bring this up here and go some way. Hopefully, power wires being that close to the RCAs ain't gonna cause a problem, which I hope not, because I didn't even think about it on these kicker amps. I'm not supposed to run RCAs next to power, but look at that. So I'm assuming that kicker's got a noise rejection circuitry probably built in there somewhere. That's not really going to be an issue. And using Stinger 8000 RCA cables, you can see there, aren't those pretty? Hey, look at that. Even all the little logos turned all in the same direction. Yeah. Anyway, alright, that's about it. What are we, about a minute or so? Trying to get a video that's going to have 100% viewership. Yeah, this one's pretty much wired up. Still got to do speaker wires. This is going to go to the front. Speaker wires going to go to the rear on this one. Got to do power and stuff like that. And yeah, man, that's a heck of a dadgum bundle. Yeah, this is about as much as I can get done for this allotted time at home. So hopefully next time I come home, we'll just get everything run to the front and get her done, right? Alright, y'all have a good one. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hey, can even give it a share. I don't know. Alright, we'll see y'all on the next one.